Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a backup for your projects on CapCut apps. So in here, I've already on my CapCut homepage and I want to, let's say, bake up this projects right here. So if you want to do the same, just click on the three dots icon under the project itself, and there will be the options to upload to space. So by uploading to the to the CapCut space, click on upload, choose the space. So by uploading the project into the CapCut space, you can easily back up your project. So if you cannot find it on the home page, you can just go to your space and there will be the projects that you back up before. You can see now the project will be assigned with this cloud icon at the top. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.